In this part of the video, we're going to talk about the often unfortunate dissipation of energy as heat. We know that often during a physical process, energy is transferred to the thermal energy store of an object. So here is our thermal energy store, and during a physical process, energy is transferred into this store. But often this energy transfer is undesirable. Often we don't want the energy that we put into a process to end up as heat. Let's see an example of this. Say we wanted to push a block along a rough surface. Then the goal of this process is to try and get the block moving. We want to try and put energy in and turn it into kinetic energy. Therefore, it would be annoying if not all of the energy we put in was transferred to the kinetic energy of the block. So to try and get our block moving, we put some energy into our system. The goal of the process being to convert this energy into kinetic energy. But unfortunately, not all of the energy we put in is turned into kinetic energy. So that is, the energy put in isn't just equal to the kinetic energy, but instead it's equal to the kinetic energy plus energy lost as heat. So why is energy being lost as heat? Well, we've got a rough surface going on here. So when the block moves along the rough surface, this is how this heat is created. So it's friction that creates heat, just like when you rub your hands together to keep you warm. We can sum up this idea into an equation that I've already somewhat alluded to above. The total energy input, the energy that we put into the process, is equal to the useful energy output plus the wasted energy output. In the case we have above, the useful energy output is the energy that we wanted to get. That's the kinetic energy. And the wasted energy output is the energy that we didn't want, and that's the heat energy. We can draw quite a general diagram of energy stores to try and understand what's going on here. We start off with some energy store we would call the total input energy store, and this has some amount of energy in it. Now, by conservation of energy, we should end up with this amount of energy at the end, no more and no less. And there's two places that this energy goes. It goes into the useful output energy store and the wasted output energy store. And if we add those two energy stores together, we get the total energy that we started with. So having wasted energy is always a bad thing. We can compare processes.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.